My name's Professor Brett Davies and I'm a barrister and solicitor at Legal Consolidated. Well, this is the question about who you will appoint as the new executors or the executors of your will. In a little while, another question will deal with who your backup executors are, but at the moment we're just looking at the first group, the first person or the first group of people to be your executors. Now, if you're a happily married couple of children only of that relationship, then you may well have a will which says everything to my wife, and my wife leaves me everything in the first instance, and then everything to the children equally. Most mum and dads do that are in happy married relationships with children only of that marriage. Now in that instance, probably the best executor will be your wife. And if your wife was doing the amendment, maybe you, her husband, are the executors. And upon your death or your wife's death, then maybe all your children. If you've got 7 children, make them all executors. Now there'll be some people out there, particularly some lawyers or public trustees or professional trustees that might say that greedily would like to be the executors of your estate, might say, oh, don't make your wife the executor. She's only a little housewife. What would she know about money? We're a big, powerful law firm or public trustee and we're very good at doing this sort of thing. Don't have that little lady of yours do it. Well, that, my friends, is a disgusting and terrible thing to say. And it's said, I believe, out of bias because the people saying it get money to administer your estate. So I think they're a little bit biased in that advice. Your wife knows all about money. She's got a purse and she knows how to spend it. She knows how to balance the checkbook. People that administer the estates are normally the people getting the money, and your wife can do the job herself. If she's getting a bit frail, she can get the children to do it, or she can get a lawyer or accountant to do it, get a quote from them. Or she could always appoint the public trustee after you die. I've never known anyone to do that because middle class and upper middle class and wealthy people end up paying a lot of money because the public trustee, like a number of other trustees, charge a percentage of your estate. So, in that instance, appoint your wife the executor. Now, if the executors all hate each other, under no circumstances can work together, still appoint them all as the executors. If they're going to fight at beneficiary level, they might as well fight at the executive level as well. Why is that the case? Well, contrary to popular belief, the role of the executor is one of servant. They're servile to the beneficiaries. Let's make me the executor, the lawyer. And so I come in and I've got the will here and sorry about your mum and dad dying and I'm going to read the will and one of the children pops up and says, Dr. Davies, I'm not happy with this will. Oh, okay, thanks for letting me know. I'll put it back into your mum and dad's safe custody packet and let me know when the court case finishes in 2 or 3 years' time. I can't get involved, I can't help, I'm just the executor. So you can see there was not much value in having me as the executor. I can't stop children from fighting. So best to appoint them all as executors. If the children all love each other, appoint them all executors. You've got 7 of them, appoint them all executors. You can have as many executors as you wish. In some jurisdictions they may only want to have probate on 4. Some can renounce perhaps later. If you need any help, telephone us. We're a law firm. And that's the advantage that you have in dealing directly